Hello guys, so today we're dealing with the Honda Accord 2008 version coupe. We're dealing with an engine misfire. I worked out from all my ways from the nozzles to the ignition coil and then to the spark plugs, but nothing seemed to work. So today we're having an issue with these wires. See these wires? This actually got corroded and it was obstructing the supply of current. So I had to use sandpaper to clean it, and boom, it solved the misfire issue. So before thinking of changing your ignition coils, your injector and spark plug, which might cost you extra, I think first of all try to clean the current supplying wires. Thank you.